Right. See, we have discussed clearly about how to create the table and how to perform the basic DDL, DML, DRL operations, right? And here today I'm going to explain about operators, how to use operators as well as aggregate functions also. All are very easy, right? Aggregate functions and operators. First, let me create one table. First, I'll explain. Later, by look into the video and documentation, you can practice. Okay. So, first, I'm creating one table because the table which is suitable to work with all operators, I'm creating the table and I'm inserting. Right here, it is a first. Let me copy. Because instead of creating the table, because we already know the syntax, so just let me copy. Suppose one table I'm creating, account table only I'm creating, account table created. Just here it is account number. Sir, why you have given number? Here I'll explain that the things also. Here, whenever if you want to store the decimal part, decimal, normally we are using integer. Instead of integer, we can use the decimal value also. I mean, the number type also we can use. First one, int. So what is the difference between int and number? Int means automatically it will take the maximum size up to 32. No, sir, that much long I don't need means what? You can specify like this. Up to 5 digits only, up to 6 digits only, like this. Okay, na? This is the one. Okay. Next one is a decimal. Look at this. What is this decimal meaning? If you are taking total 9 digits, 9. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is a last 2 digits. Last 2 digits is a decimal. 7 integer part, 7 digits and 2 digits per decimal part. 9 comma 2 means what? Maximum up to 7 digits integer part you can store. That is, just let me create the table. Table creation is a simple and inserting the records also simple. Inserting the records also simple. After that, now we need to write the queries. So one by one, how to write the queries, I'll explain. First of all, just display all records, all details I need to display. It's a simple one. Select star from account table, account. All the details it is printing clearly. Okay. Now here, just the balance is greater than 5,000 rupees only I want. From here, we start working with the where clause as well as the operators concept. So total, how many operators are there? What type of operators are there? All examples I'll explain today. The first operator is a relational operators. Arithmetic, basic, we know, addition, subtraction. Relational operators are 6, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to, you can write in two ways, this way or this way. Both are allowed. So these operations are used to get the results only when the specified condition is valid. If not, it will not. Easily we can understand. Here it is. Here it is. Select star from account where balance is greater than or equals to 5,000 rupees. Balance is greater than or equals to 5,000. See, less than 5,000 is not coming. Less than 5,000 is not coming. That is. Okay. This is the one. The next one is the less than you can use, equals to you can use. We know that basic things, those are basic things. Next one, see, I just want to check only the type is belongs to investment, only investment. Select star from account where type is equals to investment. Investment. Look at this. It is showing. Is not equals to investment. Either you can go with this option or you can go with this option too. Both are same. No changes. No changes. But here it is a clear meaning is not equal to we can use, and this one also we can use equals to and not equals to. So using the relational operators, we can do these things. The next one is after relational operators, we need to understand that the two more types are logical operators. A very important one. Logical AND operator, logical OR operator, logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Three operators are there. First, logical AND operator. AND operator means all conditions should be true. All should be true. That is, see for example, all should be true means what? Where we are using exactly first. Here it is I just want to display from number is a 3 to 6 only. 3 to 6. I want to display 3 to 6. Select star from account where number is greater than or equals to 3. Okay. Greater than or equals to 3 means what? More than 3. From 3, all are printing. No, sir. 3 to 6 only. I want to stop at 6. So, and the number is less than or equals to 6. So, that is what in between. That is in between greater than or equals to 3 and less than or equals to 6. Nothing but, for example, a people, the age between 30 to 50, or people the age between 18 to 50, people weight between 50 to 75. Okay, like that if you want to segregate. So best example is, sir, I just want to check how many people can donate the blood. How many people can donate the blood? The age is between 18 to suppose 55. The weight is between suppose 50 to max is a 85, suppose if you take. These people only can. In this case, we are using this option. Not only this, we can use between also, sir. Instead of using this, where number between 3 and 6. Number between 3 and 6. Any difference between these two? No. Either you can go with this option, greater than or equals to 3 and less than or equals to 6, or you can go with this option, between 3 to 6. Between 3 to 6. You can choose any one option. Got it? Right. The next one is, here it is again two options where we use AND operator. Select star from account where number is greater than or equals to 3. Okay. Number is greater than or equals to 3. Okay. But and suppose the type is equals to savings. I want savings. See, only the few people belongs to that savings. Only few people belongs to that savings is the one. Okay, now? This is the way. How can we create? Only greater than 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. But among only few people belongs to the savings type. That is the fourth one, next one, sixth one, as well as a ninth one. Is a ninth one. This is one type. Between is there. In the same way, not between also there. Suppose is a between 3 to 6. Between 3 to 6. And here it is a not between 3 to 6 means. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing. 7, 8, 9, 10 came. Got the point? Just reverse. Between and not between. Like this. The two operators you can use. The two operators. Now here, suppose I just want to display only the second person details as well as eighth person details only I want to display. Normally what we will do, select star from account where account number equals to 2 or not and. Look at this. At a time, how the number become 2 and 8 at a time. Is it possible? No, either number become 2 or number become 3. So either second details or third details or eighth details, any one number. So now look at this. Number is equals to 2. Yes, displaying. Number is equals to 8. Yes, displaying. It's not between, particular. Sir, in this case, what? Select star from account where number in 2, 8. Look at this. Try to understand what I'm explaining. Where we use between, where we use not between, where we use in, where we use not in. Like this, we need to specify. See, here it is once again, I'm explaining. First of all, AND operator we are using. 3 to 6, I want to display. Printing from 3 to 6. Printing from 3 to 6. How to display? We have two options. Number greater than or equals to 3 and number less than or equals to 6. Number less than or equals to 6. Either number between 3 and 6. Remaining all I want to display 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is little hard like this. Number is less than 3 and the number is greater than 6. Just opposite. Number is not between 3 and 6. Number not between 3 and 6. Next, I just want to display only second and eighth details. So number is equals to 2 or number is equals to 8. But instead of that, we have another option what? Number in 2 comma 8. Number in 2 comma 8. That is not in means what? Other than that. Other than that. Simply here, not in. Just reverse. 2 missing. Yes or no? 2 missing and 8 missing. 2 missing, 8 missing. The operators we are doing like this. Okay, now the next one is one more one. Sir, the savings. Savings I am taking now. Savings and checking. 2 I need. Select star from account where account type is equals to savings. You can write like this. Account type like savings, both are allowed. Whenever you are comparing with the strings, it is recommended to use the like operator. So here it is not equals to savings. Not equals to savings. So you know that not like a savings. Not equals to savings as well as not like a savings is the one. Is the one. That is the one. This is the simple way. This is the simple way we are taking. That is. Okay. Next one, sir, where we are using the like operator mostly. So here it is, so many people are there. Select star from account. So many people are there. I need to display only the people name starting with the M. Just M. Only the names starting with the M. How can we? Select star from account where the name like you need to specify like this. Here it is M followed by this ampersand, means what we are using percentage symbol. Like followed by the M, any characters will be present no matter. It should starts with. Sir, again in M also, starting with M, but ending with L. Ending with L. Here it is a L. Look at this. Between any number of characters or any type of characters will be present. But like this, we need to specify. Okay. Next one. Here it is suppose here it is Thompson is there. Anderson is there. Anywhere the sun is present. Anywhere in between. Then we are writing like this. In between, wherever the sun is present, no matter. Before or after, any number of characters will be present or no characters will be present. Or no characters will be present. Then simply we are using this like operator. Sir, either it is starting with people names starting with D or people name starting with M, D or N. Then here it is name like starting with D or again you should write completely like this name like M. Name like M. Here it is the people, those means what were name starting with either D or M. It is showing like this. Okay, right. So based on this, any number of concepts you can practice. All the things you need to understand. First, the basic relational operators, how to use greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to, either this one or this one. Next one, and operator, or operator, not operator. Next one is between and not between. Of course, the same combined, right? Next one is in and not in. Next one is a like and not like. Mostly, if you practice, these are the things, right? Most of the queries you can understand. These are all the basic operators just now what we have discussed. And followed by, I told you today, one more simple concept I'll explain. One more simple concept I'll explain. So what is that? What is that? Here, aggregate functions are there. Few functions which are called aggregate functions. What are the aggregate functions? 5 functions. One is a count function. Second one is a sum function. Next one is a average function. Next one is a min function. Next one is a max function. Easy. Right? So total 5 aggregate functions are given. What is that count? Just simply how many records are there? Simply we can count. In this one only, let me show you. First of all, once again select start from account. So total how many records are there? Of course, 10 records are there. 10 records. Yes or no? But see here, how can we count, sir? Select count of star from account. See, 10 records, total 10 came. But see, sir, what is the count of star? I don't want this. Right? I need to change the heading for this one. For every column heading, alias names, count of star, just display as total number of records. Look at this. Any name you can display as we are using simply to say alias name. Simply to say alias name. Count of star as total number of records we are providing. That is the count of star. See the same heading. Instead of count of star, proper heading it is giving. Proper heading it is giving. That's it. Sir, okay, select count of star from account. How many records belongs to where type is equal to savings, sir. Savings. Look at this. How many records belongs to the type savings? Then along with the aggregate function, we are using same story. Where condition, where class we are using, and followed by the operators we are using. By using the operators, we are writing the conditions. By using operators, we are writing the conditions. That is the one. Okay. Next one, sir. So what is the maximum balance? Simple. Select max of balance from account. Maximum balance is a, where is it? 10,000 is not there. Yeah, is there. 10,000 is the maximum balance. So in the same way, minimum balance is a minimum balance in an account. That is, sir, sum of all balances I'm taking. Select sum of, or same story. First, let me explain. In a minimum balance in account where same story, the type is equal to savings. In the savings, what is the minimum balance? See, the 2000, I mean, this is belongs to the savings only. But in maximum is a savings also we can write. What is the maximum balance? Not among all. Only in a savings maximum balance is a 6,000 rupees. 6,000. Among all is a 10,000. Among all. No, sir, only savings. So the clauses and the operators, conditions also we can add. Conditions also we can add. That is the one. Okay, na? Right. The next one is the same, sir. I need to find the sum. Select sum of balance from account. Everything. Total balance. No, sir. Only where type is equal to savings. Particular type. Sir, at a time I need to provide that sum of in a savings account, sum of in a checking, sum of in investment, not one by one, sir. At a time all the three should come. That is actually called the next class clauses concept, having the group by, order by, few are there, that will cover. So don't worry. Okay. As of now, individual only, savings separately, investment separately. Sir, investment separately. Next one is a checking separately. Checking like this. Okay, now. No, sir, I don't want like this. Right? I want simply, right? All the three at a time should come. Of course, the tomorrow clearly I'll explain, but today I'll just show you. Today, I'll just show you type comma sum of balance from account group by type. This is tomorrow class, not today class. But whenever normally we are executing this one, automatically the doubts will come. Sir, why individually you are checking, sir? Can I check at a time all the three? Yes, you can. Clauses are there, will come slowly. That is the next topic. Okay. So using all these count, total count, particular savings count, like savings and investment count, like that, apply sum, average, min, max. All these things you please apply based on these. Okay. All operators you need to practice today. After that, the 5 aggregate functions you need to practice. That is enough. Right? In the document, right, around 2 tables and around 100 queries I have given. You please practice 100 queries as of today. In a tomorrow class, completely clauses I'll explain. Group by clause, order by clause, having clause, with the where, with conditions, operators, aggregate functions, everything will come. That is, once you have completed clauses, we can go with constraints, joins, and subqueries. That much easy of learning SQL concept. Hope you are getting the things. Please practice by looking to the documentation. Okay, we are sharing the videos also. Please go through the videos and practice well. Okay, na? You can leave for today. Any doubts, just drop the message.